over by the bus stop or something.
Oh, really?
Especially he said, she said bullshit. Damn.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to Sydney. Not no. I don't know. It's something about a fight, I guess. 1389. One 387. This doesn't have one. Oh, it's over in the driver's side. Lady officer. This gentleman here. Two witnesses. See, that's the way to do it. Wave and say hi. Perfect. Gotta love that. Yeah, welcome to Sydney. The people here are great. Security way over there. Security. Security. Boom, boom, boom. Try not to get people, but you know, it is what it is. Lots of chatting, picking up a few names, talking to the community.
Yeah, I did show it above you because you were in my face. Yeah, she's like,
Oh, them against them. Okay.
Got on video.
She's a little mad.
Yeah, well, how the fuck you guys?
She's a little mad.
I go right up there, grab the fucking phone, smash that bitch. Yeah, look. And I
Hey, bro.
If he hits her, I got time to.
Thanks, bro.
You can't fucking do that shit.
Thanks, man. Cape Bread, Cape Bread.
They get carried away, man.
You tell him? Oh, cool.
yeah. Can I stay here? Longer for what? I got places to go, places to be. If I'm not detained, then I'm out. Nope. Nope. Okay. Thanks.
Take care.
You too.
That was for your safety.
My safety?
Yeah, I was taking a video for your safety because if he put his hands on you, I was gonna
Both of us were doing that. Girl, I'm doing the same thing.
Who did that to you? I wish I had been here for that.
The top cops. And that's the zone, the RCMP. Yeah, no, the Mounties. They do. They don't. No, they don't. These ones don't. But the Mounties do. Yeah, the Mounties do though. And they know I'm not fucking stupid. My ass fucking, he's next door to the landlord. Fucking, laying on his and what, bitch? I know what I do and what I do and what I don't. And I ain't doing nothing wrong to those little bitches. What say?
Be careful, he might grab you for disturbing the peace.
What? Grab me what?
For disturbing the peace, yeah. No, we have freedom of expression.
Yeah, so as long as she says in my opinion, everything you say from now on,
Why
say
are
in
you
my
still
opinion.
looking over here?
Everything
You got
you
no
say.
business.
Listen to this man. Listen to this man. He's giving you some. Listen to this man. He's giving you some good advice.
Look at my fucking scar, bro. Look at my scar.
Listen to him. He's giving
Look
you.
at it.
Yeah, I can see it. Listen
Look,
to
look.
that. I see the scar there.
Look at them.
Will you listen?
They torture
You're not
people
listening. Don't bother.
like me.
I don't care. I'm not. You don't want to listen to somebody giving you advice? Then fine. I'm just gonna stand here and keep my mouth shut.
Take a video of my scar.
No.
One more time, take a video of my scar.
There's your scar. Okay.
And these ones.
Yep.
It's not all these, it's this one, the big one.
Is that from a cup?
Yeah.
Handcuffs?
Yep, the Mounties.
wow.
Escazoni.
Oh yeah.
Escazoni Mounties.
You know which one?
No, I don't. Because they're all fucking fake. But these two ones
I wasn't.
right here.
I wasn't filming you.
No, but his face.
Yeah.
Get his face.
Oh yeah, I got him. I got him.
They're good cops.
Go over and ask
They
him
are
what.
actually good cops. I'm not going
No,
up and
no,
asking.
no. Ask him what his name is.
I'm not asking his name.
Ask him his name and his badge number.
Why don't you
He-
ask his
he
name?
has to give it to you.
Okay, ask his name then.
No.
Every
You
time I
have
ask
to-
for a badge
you
number,
have-
they lock me up.
He hasn't talked to me.
Can you video it?
Yeah, I am video. So
Watch
hang
this.
on. No, don't go over there. Just stay right here. Ask
You
him.
just told me.
Just ask. Don't stay right here and ask him. Ask him.
Hey, can I
Officer. Officer, this lady wants to talk to you.
Oh, I do.
I was talking to you last night.
Yeah,
Ask them their names and badge numbers.
what's up?
Names and badge numbers.
You remember Reed's job?
You want to drive home?
You want to drive home? I'll give you a drive.
Why can't he actually drive home? Why me? Why does everyone use me? What is fucking me?
You want to drive for him? What's that?
We're leaving now. So what time are you
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
I was just inside. I got nothing to do. They're just going to that before. Let's go. I was just here.
What's your name, officers? What's your name? I know. What's your name now? Hey, nice to meet you, bud. What's your name, dear?
It's no one's fucking. Stop asking their damn name.
See how he said my name?
You're the wrong badge anyway.
Ha ha ha. He knows my name. Hey, have a good night. Stay safe.
Wait,
She won't even
wait,
look
let
this
me
way.
get
She
her
won't
phone.
even. She won't even. She won't even look this way.
Watch.
Okay. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. There you go. There you go. All right, this is ended. This little girl's safe. The cops didn't take her away.
Safe.
No, hey, babe, stay safe, girl. But